Morning everyone. This will be a quick video aiming to help you identify the phrasal verbs in a sentence and gain an understanding of how they work. This video will be a part of a series of short videos looking at the different types of verbs. I'll put a link in the description to the other videos, as well as a link to the slides which you can download for free if you want them. I'd suggest watching the video that explains what verbs are first and then coming back to this one. Now there are lots of different types of verbs, some of which are listed here, but this isn't even a full list. There are many more types. And today we're just going to focus on one of these. Today we have phrasal verbs. These are usually quite easy to identify as they are short phrases rather than single words. Sit down, break up, and take off are all examples. Phrasal verbs usually come in two forms. Take the phrases, look to the future, and get down from there. Here are the phrasal verbs, look to and get down. And sometimes phrasal verbs are made up of a verb and a preposition, such as look to, or they can be made up of a verb and an adverb, such as get down. A few more examples are highlighted in green in the sentences here. It's worth pointing out that the phrasal verbs can be dynamic or stative too. Pause the video and see how many phrasal verbs you can pick out from the box on the right. And the answers are colour-coded here. You can mark this one yourself. A key thing to note with verbs is that the type of verb can change dependent on the context of the sentence that it's in. And if you want to challenge yourself, try and identify the phrasal verbs in this extract from The Adventures of Sherlock Holmes by Sir Arthur Conan Doyle. And that is phrasal verbs in a nutshell. Try adding phrasal verbs to your revision cards and add them into your next analysis to boost your marks. Thanks for watching and happy revising.